Clubhouse is an iPhone app that allows people to host and join audio conversations with other users. The first thing to know about Clubhouse is how to join. And unfortunately, the answer to that question is, you probably can't. Clubhouse is invite only, meaning that anyone who wants to join has to be brought in by someone who already has an account. You can still download the app and put your name on a waiting list, but there's no guarantee that you'll ever get an account that way. Clubhouse creates a place where people can meet up to host, listen to, and in some cases, join conversations within the app's community. When you open the app, you'll be presented with a list of rooms, as well as a list showing who's in each room. You can join the room by tapping on it, or start your room. So far, most Clubhouse rooms have a TED Talk vibe, with one guest speaking, and everyone else listening. Other users can join the conversation when deemed appropriate by a moderator, but depending on the chat, this can be rare. There are always dozens of conversations happening at the same time, allowing users to jump between subjects and speakers based on their interest. Clubhouse rooms are hosted by experts, luminaries, celebrities, venture capitalists, journalists, and more. During his foray into Clubhouse, insider contributor Adam Lashinsky described jumping from a conversation about the GameStop short sale to marketing specialist Guy Kawasaki discussing the art of persuasion, to actress Ricki Lake promoting her documentary. Tech moguls Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg have both spoken on Clubhouse calls in the past few weeks, which has only intensified the buzz around it. Clubhouse built its reputation with conversations hosted by big names like Oprah Winfrey, Mark Zuckerberg, and Elon Musk. The app is already considered a staple among Silicon Valley and entertainment personalities. Clubhouse has plans to expand further and eventually take their place among other major social media sites like Facebook or Twitter. But to do this, they're also going to have to face some of the controversies surrounding the platform. Some journalists on Clubhouse, especially women, have talked about being targets of bullying and harassment from others on the platform. Others have witnessed rooms descend into anti-Semitism, racism, and COVID-19 denialism. Clubhouse has already hired moderators, and CEO Davidson has said that any social network needs to make moderation a top priority. However, he's also stressed that he wants the platform to center free speech and dialogue. According to blogger Jenna Howieson, Clubhouse currently has 9 employees. As of December 2020, it was valued at nearly $100 million. On January 21, 2021, the valuation hit $1 billion. Clubhouse features a wide variety of clubs and virtual rooms with conversations on diverse topics, talk shows, music, networking, dating, performances, political discussions, and more. One fun feature of Clubhouse you'll want to know about: nothing is recorded. That means you have to catch conversations as they happen, or you risk missing out. The idea behind the no catch-up is simple. The app inventors wanted it to be a safe space where celebrities, professionals, and amateurs alike could chat honestly and openly. With no way of quoting what's been said, anything goes. Fun fact. Although we're not recommending you do this, invites are even being sold on resale sites like eBay. Ready to listen to some A-listers speak? Time to find yourself an invite. On Clubhouse, experts, peers, professionals, and complete newbies all have the same user rights. That is, you can host, join, or chime into conversations. If you're an independent business or at the start of your career, you're given the unique opportunity to ask some of the best in the business for their advice. As it was not censored and blocked by China until early February 2021, Clubhouse attracted quite a number of Chinese netizens to discuss various topics, including politically sensitive topics, such as protests in Hong Kong and the political status of Taiwan. On the 8th of February 2021, the app was blocked in mainland China. In early 2021, Clubhouse ranked first among free apps on Apple's App Store in Japan. More than 6 million users are on the platform. The app had just 600,000 in December 2020. But now serves as many as 2 million weekly active users. The app is free, serves no ads, and is available for iOS only. At least for now. Sorry, Android users. An app for Google Play is under development, but not quite ready yet. Also, would-be advertisers, as it's not clear yet how monetization will work in the long term. Twitter and Facebook are already ramping up a Clubhouse competitor. Twitter began testing a new audio offering called Spaces in December, with the number of participants apparently already at roughly 1,000, with as many as 3,000 or 4,000 more expected soon. The users who are lucky enough to have snagged an invite are spending tens of hours on the app each week. Other users tweeted about their own usage, showing usage between 11 to 22 hours for the week.